We'll guide you through how to import PNG in Unity. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, opening the Start menu on your Windows computer. You can do this by clicking the Windows icon located at the bottom left corner of the screen or by pressing the Windows key on your keyboard. After the Start menu opens, click the search bar and type Unity to locate the software quickly. When the Unity Hub or Unity Editor appears in the search results, click on it to launch the application. Wait patiently while the splash screen loads and the project environment initializes completely. Once Unity has fully opened, select and open your specific Unity 2D project from the Unity Hub dashboard. After the project loads into the editor, look toward the bottom section of the interface and locate the Assets panel. Inside this panel, right-click on the Assets folder to open a context menu. From the available options, choose Create, and then select Folder to make a new directory for your image files. Rename the newly created folder as Images so your project remains organized and easier to manage later. Double-click the Images folder to open it. Inside the empty area of this folder, right-click again and choose Import New Asset from the menu. A file browser window will appear, allowing you to browse through your computer files. Select the PNG image you want to use, then click the Import button to add it into Unity. After the image appears inside the folder, click on it once and go to the Inspector window. In the Inspector settings, change the texture type option to Sprite 2D and UI. Then set the sprite mode to single so the image imports correctly. Scroll down and click the Apply button to confirm the settings. Next, drag the PNG image into the main scene to display it. Finally, click the image and use the tools on the left side of the scene view to scale, stretch, and position it properly. Then remember to save your work before closing Unity. Saving regularly helps prevent data loss and ensures every change made to the PNG file, layout, and object placement remains stored inside the Unity project. You can save the project by pressing Ctrl and S on your keyboard or by using File menu.